Today we're going to be focusing on the adapter design pattern. So the way it works is, let's just say you've got your main application code, and you've got a interface that you expect it to work like, and let's to get something done. And there's another thing that you want to control, but the interface you have here does not match the interface that this adaptee accepts. Then what you have to do is you have to make an adapter between them, and that's that's what an adapter is. And what this adapter does is basically it takes in these commands and it maps it to something that the adaptee can understand. So in embedded system, a common application that you guys have probably seen is we like to write drivers. So let's just take a flash memory chip, for example. From your main code perspective, you probably want to initialize it. So you'd be like flash, you'll tell it initialize it, and then you can read from it and write to it and close it to to stop using that bus. And then on the other hand, you could have different types of flash memory. So you could have a flash memory that speaks I2C, or you could have a SPI flash memory. So both of these will have the same common interface, but inside the chip it will be implemented in a different way. So you'll have to write an adapter. So this will be the I2C adapter, and then this will be the SPI adapter. Cool. So I'm gonna be guiding you guys through an example of a HOTAS project that I'm working on, and I'm gonna be writing the code for that as well. So in the HOTAS project, I'm going to be making a joystick library. And that will have a specific interface that will allow me to control it. So, as you know, a joystick can move in the X and Y direction. So it will you will initialize it. You will then basically give commands and give it the XY position, which will then get mapped into the XY coordinates in like the game you're playing. So on the other hand, I've got a USB interface that I'm going to be using to interpret these commands. And the USB interface will have as the adaptee in this case, and it's going to be expecting commands in a certain format. So then, obviously, what we're going to be doing is writing an adapter in the middle, which will take these commands from our joystick library and basically convert them into USB commands that our game can understand. So let's go to the computer now and start coding.